Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share with you this fun fold card that I created with the Simply Said stamp set. So let me set this aside and I'll show you how I got started. I'm going to start with the scoring for this project. This fun fold is going to be scored at the 2-inch mark. And remember, your lighter blade is your score blade. And then I'm going to slide it over and I'm going to score it again at the 7.5-inch mark. And I'm finished with my trimmer. I'm going to bring in my sentiment panel and my designer series paper, and I'm going to set that paper where it belongs so that I can see where I'm going to stamp. And I'm going to stamp this birthday wishes image right below that panel in the center. I've got it on its backside so that in case I hit it, I don't damage the side that I want to use. I've got my stamping done and I'm going to start assembling. Okay, I'm going to flip over this designer series paper and adhere it to my sentiment panel. There we go. And then I'm going to bring in my card base and I'm going to fold it on the score lines. I'm going to bring in my mat and adhere it to the card front. And of course, if you want this to lay flatter, simply burnish a couple more times with your bone folder to help that. And then I'm going to adhere my sentiment panel on top of that pecan pie mat. Once I have that in place, I can add the two panels on the left. In my inside panel, I'm going to place on the inside and adhere, or if you prefer, you can wait until you're ready to send it. Now this inside panel happens to be our basic beige, and it's a little different look than our very vanilla, and I thought went well with the masculine card that I was looking for and the plaid. Next, I'm going to bring in these fun neutral adhesive sequins. They happen to come in 4 colors: a brown, a gold, a copper, and a silver. And I'm going to pick up the brown for this project and add, let's see, 1 on each side. Just in the center there. And then I'm going to take a couple of sequins and I'm going to scatter them around the card front. Like so. There you go. I've got 5 sequins, which is an odd number and more pleasing to the eye. I've created this quick and easy masculine fun fold card using the Simply Said stamp set. And of course, if you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Ginny. Thanks for joining me.